Welcome to Abdali Grammar School. Science. Lesson. Ecosystem. Chapter number 2. Lecture number 3. 69. Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Dear students, our today's topic is effect of human activities from lesson ecosystem. There are 4 main activities of human that affect on ecosystem: urbanization, soil erosion, deforestation, pollution. Let's learn about urbanization. Urbanization is defined as increase in population due to shifting of people from rural areas to urban areas. Large number of people require more resources for live, so that people move towards urban areas. For a living purpose, people require more resources and space, so that people cut down the trees to build house. Next activity of human that affect on ecosystem is deforestation. Deforestation mean cutting down of trees. Large number of people cut down the trees for construction of houses. This cutting down of trees can decrease in number of species and cause the loss of habitat. Next activity of human is soil erosion. Soil erosion is the removal of the upper fertile layer of soil due to heavy rain, storms and floods. This rainstorms and flood can damage and remove the upper fertile layer of soil. Roots of trees hold the soil in place. When people cut the trees, soil is removed and washed away with rain, so due to this reason animals and plants cannot survive in such environment. Next activity that affect on ecosystem is pollution. Pollution is defined as burning of fossil fuels in automobiles, engines, and factories release a lot of smoke. When engines and factories release a lot of smoke, this cause air pollution. Garbage and other toxic waste are source of water pollution. All these type of pollution badly affect on natural habitat. Dear students, it's discuss about preserving ecosystem and protect the environment from harmful human activities. There are 4 ways to conserve and protect our natural resource. 1. Planting more and more trees. 2. Reducing pollution. 3. Conserving natural resource. 4. Practicing 3R strategy. Planting trees. Planting more and more trees provide natural habitat. Planting more and more trees will provide natural habitat of many organisms, and then ecosystem will conserved. Next, reducing pollution. Using water pollution, land pollution, and air pollution will be healthy step towards saving organisms and ecosystem. Some other ways to reduce pollution are disposing of garbage, properly reducing the use of fossil fuel chemicals and fertilizers. Next way to preserve ecosystem is practicing 3R strategy. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Should reduce the use of material, such as plastic bags, to preserve ecosystem. We should reuse the material like clothes again and again. We should recycle the things like bottles, metal cans, and paper to preserve ecosystem. Conserving natural resource. We should reduce the use of natural resource such as water and trees. When we use natural resource like water and trees, habitat and ecosystem can be saved. Thanks for watching. Must like and subscribe our YouTube channel.